Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'll show you how to make extra crispy fried chicken using very basic ingredients from the pantry with no marination required. But before we get to the recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. So to begin with, you need 4 pieces of skin on chicken legs, 4 pieces of thighs, all medium sized, washed and pat dried with any excess skin or fat trimmed off. Larger pieces would take longer to cook. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Rub the salt over all the chicken pieces and set aside. Please check the description box below for the list of ingredients and any available notes on the recipe. In a medium-sized bowl, add 2 eggs and beat. Add 2 cups of milk. Usually 1 egg and 1 cup of milk should be enough for the recipe. Now combine the beaten eggs and the milk. I'm making extra because just in case I need more, I don't want to be running around in the middle of my shoe while interrupting it just to make that extra. Set this aside. Now in another medium-sized bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of flavor-enhancing accent salt, which is MSG, monosodium glutamate, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Combine all the dry ingredients well. Meanwhile, preheat oil or shortening as much as needed for deep frying in a deep fryer or a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, working with 1 piece of chicken at a time, first dip in egg and milk, then coat the chicken with dry flour mixture. Then the egg and milk mixture again, and then back into the flour. Make sure that each piece is coated very generously. Once coated, place the chicken on a plate or cookie sheet until the rest of the pieces of chicken have been coated. Repeat the same for the rest of the pieces of chicken. The oil has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in my deep fryer. I'm using oil instead of shortening, though shortening tastes better. Drop the chicken 1 piece at a time into the hot oil. Avoid overcrowding the chicken pieces. Fry in multiple batches, 4 pieces at a time, for 12 to 15 minutes until done or until golden brown. You may also use a meat thermometer to check the doneness. If the internal temperature of the chicken has reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it means they're done. Stir the chicken around halfway through the cooking time so that each piece cooks evenly. If you're making a lot at a time, you may want to preheat your oven to 150 degrees Fahrenheit and leave each batch of chicken in there until the final batch is done so they're all warm when you serve. Remove the chicken to a rack or paper towels to drain the excess oil. Let drain for at least 5 minutes before eating. Now drop the remaining 4 pieces of chicken, one at a time, and repeat the same frying method. If you're using significantly uneven or larger pieces of chicken, then you have to take into account that the frying time would vary and at the same time, smaller pieces would cook faster. So in that case, you have to take the smaller pieces out of the oil first and let the larger ones cook for longer. Now I'm going to transfer these to the wire rack. Once the excess oil has drained, serve with your choice of condiments. Please check the description box below for the list of ingredients and any available notes on the recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. See how the meat is very tender and juicy even without marination. If you have any queries, please leave a comment below. Take care.